AIRCARE HDC12 Replacement Wicking Humidifier Filter by AIRCARE is one of the best sellers among baby accessories products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Humidifies and filters indoor air. Traps water minerals and dissolved solids before they become airborne. Honeycomb construction with antimicrobial and particulate trapping treatment. Contains 4 wicks. Meets AHUM standards. The AIRCARE HDC12 Humidifier Wicking Filter for select moist air and Kenmore humidifier models is a disposable filter designed for optimum performance of your humidifier. Replacement for these models: compatible with AIRCARE model AR1407, compatible with moist air models HD230, HD1100, HD1102, HD1200, HD1202, HD1202C, HD1202C1C, HD1204, HD1212, HD1300, HD1300W, HD1301, HD1303, HD1305, HD1405, HD1406, HD1407, HD12001, HD12020, HD120020, HD12040, HD12041, HD13000, HD130000, HD13002, HD13003, HD13030, HC13030, HD13050, HD14050, HD14060, HD14070, HD14080, compatible with Kenmore models 14415, 14417, 14452, 14453, 14454, 144,150, 144,151, 144,170, 144,171, 144,520, 144,521, 144,522, 144,523, 144,530, 144,531, 144,532, 144,533, 154,200, 155,171, compatible with Kenmore models 758 14452, 758 144,150, 758 144,151, 758 144,170, 758 144,171, 758 144,520, 758 144,521, 758 144,522, 758 144,523, 758 144,530, 758 144,531, 758 144,532, 758 144,533, 758 154,140, 758 154,200, 758 155,171. Warning: this product can expose you to chemicals including benzene, which is known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. For more information, go to www.p65warnings.gov. AIRCARE HDC12 4-pack replacement humidifier filter.